Shouldn't be too hard at all.
Sure. Snap, Maestro. Only, where do we start?
Right here.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I have today a radio chassis, and I have absolutely no idea what make, brand or model it is. I mean, I've had a look through it, and I've put on a power cord to get ready to, run the tests. And I bought this just for parts, of course, but I've got a friend who, she's after a chassis, a working one. So I said, I've got one for you. It's just sitting up on the shelf in the garage. So, I mean, look, let's have a look here. As you can see, oh God, where is it here? That's the dial plate, the dial glass. Somebody's been at it and spent a lot of time making up little station IDs. It's really cute. And the speaker's in good condition. I mean, it looks it, So, but I do suspect, I mean, you can have a look inside this, there's basically bugger all in there. Where's my pointer? Okay, so, 2 filter caps. How many waxies we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 waxies. A couple of those yellow capacitors, whatever they are, mallards. And let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 resistors that I can count. I'll see. So, I don't know who made it. And I think it was just, like I said, I think these are just made on the cheap. Back in the, well, I don't know, 40s maybe, 50s, who knows. But let's start and let's run our tests. So, like I said, I've done nothing to this. All I've done is just, don't do that. I've just prepared myself. Okay. And actually, I'll show you. Let's go through this slowly and get something to brace it with. So, up here, and that's our rectifier. Don't know what the valve is, but I know it's definitely got to be the rectifier. And I can see there's, as you can see, there's 2 red wires there. And I'm just going to guess that they are the high voltage from the transformer. And then we've got a yellow wire, which zooms around here, but it just goes to one terminal and then it goes elsewhere. So I suspect that could be possibly 6.3 volts. Anyway, we'll find out. So, red and red. And AC voltage on the multimeter. Let's see what we get. A little bit of power. 200 volts already. Okay, cool. So that would leave the other one to be 6.3. For that, black lead on the chassis. Where is it? Oh, there it is. You can see it. Good. And the other red lead. Well, I just put the red lead on the yellow wire, and let's see what we get. Let's turn the variac on first. 1.2, 2.3. I'm up to 130 odd 40 volts. That's going to go to 6.3 volts, or close enough too. And I did notice there was no shorts in there. Current limiter was quiet. So, what have we got here? I'll get rid of these electrodes. And what are they? 2 16s. Great. Still don't have any 16s. Alright, I'll hunt something up. And then we'll install it and see what we get. So I've got my first capacitor, two 8s together. These 8s are only at 450 volts, but that's okay because the 16 that's already in there is rated to 350 volts, so pretty safe. And where's my pliers? That'll do. Get that out of the way. No, that's not going to work. Oh, yes it will. Yes it will. Nah, do the right thing. Do the right thing. Do a proper job. And it won't come back to bite you. And it's positive at the top. And of course I have forgotten to check the speaker. Oh, we can do that after I solder this bugger in. That's it. That's good. And gotcha. Just clean it off a bit. Help the solder stick to it. There we go. Gotcha. And let's just check. Continuity. Beep. Beep. Good. No dry solder joints. So that's fine. And, oh yep, another 16. Oh, back in a second. Okay, so let's get you out. Very cool. All looking good so far. Well, I mean, soldering's not too hard, is it? I'll do a neat job anyway, try to. Still got a way to go. And I've got my orientation the right way, yep. Let's wrap this around there. Now this one's like, to me it's a bit of fun, you know. And my friend, she's setting up a new bedroom. It's like an attic, and she wants some sort of old stuff in there. And I suggest, you know, this and there. Yeah. She goes, I want one, but I want it to work. I want it to work. Okay. Well, hopefully. You know, don't always get them all to work. That's done. And again, I'll just go through my processes and I check every time. I've said it, I know I've said it before, but for me it works, and you know, I don't have to go searching for a dry solder joint. Okay, the speaker. They're in, they're fine, yep. And where are we? There we go. Oh, you can't. So there's our red and yellow, red and blue wire coming from the output tranny. That's our primaries. So where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Yeah, that's a good question. I completely lost it. Oh, here. Pardon me. So there's our red wire. Definitely. And there's the blue. So the red wire, that'll be the plate of the output valve. And the blue wire, that's connected up to the power source. DC. Off the one of the filter caps. So, where's my lead? And blue, I don't know, black lead on the blue, red lead on the red. Will it work? It works well. So that's good. That leaves us with power. And hold on. Something I didn't look at before. Where's the antenna? Little hole. Oh, you can't see. I'll just zoom back. There's a little hole there where an antenna wire might have come out of. That's that yellow wire. And that goes up to antenna coil, I'm guessing. We will... I'm going to put it there. Let's have a look. So, where are we? Right. There. We'll try that. And you didn't see it at all. But anyway, that looks like to be the input of on the coil, antenna coil. And there's the output. That's what it seems like to me. But anyway, let's get those valves seated properly. And make this thing sit upright. Sorry, this is taking a while, but it normally does. I'm doing this without any edits or anything like that, well, as much as I can help. And let's go for power. Oh, actually, let's monitor the DC, high voltage. I've got something there. Yeah, you can see it. Good. Okay. Let's build up the power. It's 100 volts. I'm at 140 volts of mains. Come on, kick in. Here we go. That's good. What's voltage? So I'm at 200 volts at mains. That should work. And they're emptying the rubbish outside. It works.
RN. On air, online, on your digital TV, and on the ABC Listen app.
That's it.
And you're like, yeah. That's something kind of a movie.
This is chaos.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
He's way more complex than
How good's that?
It's classified.
yes, it's just a...
All right. Gee, my work here is done. Let's see if we can fix it up a bit and the quality of the sound. So I'll start organising some wax capacitors, and then we'll do the whole thing on video. Why not? Why not? You know, especially like if you're brand new at this and you want to see it all done. You know, as I did, Well, let's do that. So I'll hunt up some capacitors, and we'll start changing them. Right, so we'll change this one first, and it's a 0.02. Yep, and it's strapped by a resistor which is brown, black, green, which is 101 meg. Let's just see if we can get a reading off this resistor, see if it's gone high or whatever. So that's half a meg. If I'm reading it right, yep, half a meg. Alright, so let's just snip it, take it out of circuit with the capacitor, and a meg. Cool. So actually there's nothing wrong with that that resistor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it, and if it ever breaks down I'll just replace it. So take that off, wax all over it, and I don't think no, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm not going to be able to strap that on. So out you go, and just use one of these. This is just my method of strapping things on, so I just, hook and loop, and I'll solder that up, and I'll do that, and then I'll come straight back and we'll replace it. Okay, ready to go, and right there. Get all that wax off, and where are we? How am I going to do it? That'll do. Bring that across, crimp it. That's done. And actually, no, I thought it said 0.01. It's yeah, definitely a 0.02. I think the circuit could probably handle it if I doubled the capacitance of it. And how am I going to do this? Oh God, come on. Whew. Not having much luck here. That's better. We'll just check for continuity. I'm sure we can hear it. And just check it there. Yep, that's all good. And what I do, I've changed the capacitor, and let's just give it a test. See if it works, and it should.
At patience around
Oh, yeah.
all of this together. It's like we all just need to be a little bit kinder, maybe.
That's right. As Anthony Albanese would say, he's only human. We're just
Nice.
human. So people should tune in.
That warms up reasonably quickly. Yeah, cool. Alright, so I'll go grab, well, we'll do that one. It looks nice and easy. Oh, actually, I should do the hard one. You can see it's right in there. And where's it go? One end goes to earth, the other one goes to, I think that's, yep. Is that the output? No, yes it is, I think. Yeah, of course it is. Sorry. I'll dig that out and see what value it is. And it's going to be a little one, that's for sure. Anyway, well, I finally got that capacitor in, and it was a tight fit. And, well, I couldn't film it because my hands were just all over the place. Alright, let's see if I've done it correctly. Let's power it up. Oh yeah.
Usrećit će vam zašto i kako. Najnoviji izveštaj
Cool.
I analize najvažnije.
Alright, let's continue. And, hey, where it is. There it is. The 0.1. And we'll change that. Okay, replacement. And let's take that off about there. If they're only all this easy. Where am I gonna? Yeah, we'll do it there. Good. Nice. And I checked for polarity, hence that the little black mark on the cap. So that's our foil end going off the chassis. And we don't need much lead on this one. I'll get it eventually. I think you can see it, yeah. Come on, heat up. Gotcha. That should earth out to the chassis. Yep, I think you can hear it. And this one. Yep, that's all good too. Alright. Now I've got one in here. Oh god, that's tight. It's going to the tuning gang. Funny, I've never seen one like that before. Well, I think it's going to the tuning gang. It's going somewhere. Anyway, I'll end up having to change this off camera, I think. You can see it right there. And it's going to, I think, the detector valve. And I will sort this out and then we'll come back on that one once I've changed it. Well, it's another day and back to the chassis, and I can't remember which caps I put in last yesterday, but got to be, I think, one of those two. So I'm going to do that little yellow one, and that's 4700 picofarad which equals 0.0047. So, out you go. Let's get this in there. Yeah, probably about there. I'll just come back a bit. Where's that wire? Oh, keep twisting it. Ouch. Oh. And got it. Where's the next one? The other end, sorry. And oh, come on. And done. Almost done. Not saying much, I know, just sort of focusing on what I'm doing here. And let's make that a obligatory dry joint test. That's good, and that's good too. Alright, that should work fine. Let's have a listen.
I want to say, on behalf of all those years that passed me by,
I think that's great. Again?
and Dad, over his time.
Oh, that'll do.
Great function space for your next
Cool.
special event.
Alright, there's one more yellow cap, and you can just see it right there. So I'll change that, and that's, I know it's behind that that coil. It's probably the oscillator coil, I think. So I'll do this off camera, otherwise because you're not going to see anything really. So I'll do that and come back. Well, the last cap is done, radio's working, and that last cap was just there. So I've managed to get it out and put it in. Okay, let's check some resistor values. And yeah, you can see that. So what's one I know? Okay, brown, black, green, that's 1,000,000, 1 meg. .9 meg, 3.7, 1.1 meg. It's going down. I think I'll change it. What's this one? Red, red, brown. That's 220, 220 ohms. 570.572k, so 570 ohms. That'll have to be changed. What have we got here? Brown, black, yellow. 100k. Finally remembering the numbers to the the value, yeah, the numbers to the colour. So it's 100k, 0.6, spot on. That could stay there. What's that? Brown, green, brown. 1 something 1. 1. What did I say? Green. Okay, 150 ohm. What do we get? 151 ohm. They can stay there. Yellow, violet, yellow. Just up here. It's a 470k. I'm assuming it's violet in the middle. 470k, 615k. Yeah, that'll go too. Alright, so, and I'll check the other ones. Yellow, violet, orange. As soon as I see the value. 49k, yellow and violet is 47. So, that's good enough actually. And I'll start changing some of those, and I mean there's not much to see, just changing resistors, and I'll come back and finish this video off because I think it's done. And here it is, and it's all done. All the resistors that need to be changed have been, and just warming up. There we go. So it's working well. It's working very well. I mean, for what it is, you know, like I still believe it's a real cheap radio back in the day. I've revised my my date on this, and I believe it's mid-50s. So, given the 7 and 9 pin valves that are in it as well. Anyway, that's it. This radio will live again in someone's bedroom attic. Nice to see. I hope they enjoy it. Okay, thanks everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.